Hello students, today we start a new example number 13 of a retaining wall. So here one cross section part of the retaining wall is given. So here for a retaining wall, calculate the quantity of the following items. So here 4 items is given. First one is a RCC for the retaining wall, means RCC work of the steam side and slab side. Second is a formwork for a retaining wall. So here formwork is provided, and then after steel for the bottom slab. So here this part, here bottom slab steel is provided, and steel for a steam. So here steel for a steam side, here vertical and horizontal bar is provided. So all these calculation will be done in this example. Now first we find out RCC for a retaining wall. So here concrete work is done on a retaining wall. As a concrete work is divided into two parts here. First is a stem, and second is a hill or a toy part. So here first is a vertical part called as a stem, and a horizontal part is a hill or toy of the step. So here slope is provided in a internal side. So we take an average thickness of the retaining wall. So here thickness of the retaining wall is given from upper side is a 0.25 meter, and at the bottom side 0.40 meter is given. So here this part is 0.40 meter and upper part is a 0.25 meter. So we take average thickness 0.25 plus 0.40 divided by 2. So here we find out the average thickness is a 0.325 meter. So here single wall is provided, so we write here single one. Then after length of the wall is already given in a figure. So length of the retaining wall is a 8 meter is given. So right here length is a 8 meter, and width of the wall we calculated as a average thickness is a 0.325. So right here 0.325, and here height is given from the top of the stem to here toy part up to toy part. So here height is given 2.20. So right here 2.20 it's a height. So total quantity for a steam part is 5.72 meter cube. Similarly for a bottom portion, total length is a summation of the all these three values, 1.30, then after 0.4, and then after 0.7. So here 0.7 plus 0.4 plus 1.30, summation is 2.4. So here length we calculated as 8 meter. Then after width we calculated 2.4 meter from this part. Length is total length already given in a retaining wall is 8 meter, and here single wall is provided. So right here 1, and height or thickness is given 1.3 meter. So right here 1. So total quantity of the toy slab part is 24.96. So total quantity or a summation of the both the value, we got a summation is a 30.68 30.68 is a total quantity in a cubic meter. So here total quantity of concrete work 30.68 cubic meter. Now next is we find out the formwork. Formwork here, steam formwork is provided in sides, and then after base slab sides and slab is provided. So here steam sides is provided at a right side, means this side, and left side is the back side. So here 2 numbers is provided right here too. Then after length is already given in a figure. So length of the retaining wall 8 meter is given, so right here 8, and height is already given in a figure, is a 2.20 from the this point to this point, so right here 2.20. Then after base side slab, so here base side slab, this side slab is a end slab, and this side, right side, and left side. So here total 8 meter length of the retaining wall, and height here 2 is required, so right here 2, 8 meter length is required, and height is already given in a figure 1.3, so right here 1.3. Then after here height is given is a 0.3. Now base end. So here not a 1.3, it's a only 0.3. Now base end. So here this side, front side, and back side, means another side, 2 end is provided for a formwork, and the length is 7 plus 0.4 plus 1.3 is the summation is 2.4 meter, and then after height is already given is a 0.3, so right here 0.3. So total formwork in the form of the square meter is 41.44 meter, 41.44 meter square is the total quantity of the formwork. Now let's we start a calculation of a third item is a steel for a bottom slab, and here bottom slab is provided at here. So steel for a bottom slab, here top bar. So as you seen, 12 mm dash, 20 mm center to center distance is provided. So here this bar is provided. We calculated top bar, this bar, and diameter is a 12 mm, and 20 centimeter center to center is provided. So total length of the bar we calculated is a summation of the 1.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.7. It's 1.3 plus 0.4. Here start from here to up to and here plus 0.15. So here two side hook is provided, starting and end point, and here one side cover is provided. So your total length is equal to 1.3 plus 0.4, 1.3 we take here, 0.4 from here, and 0.15 from here. So up to this end we calculated the total length of the top bar plus 0.15 plus Here two side hook is provided, starting and end. So 2 times 9 multiplied by diameter of the bar. So diameter of the bar is a 12 mm diameter is provided right here and also in a figure. So 12 mm is converted to meter, 0.012 minus, here this side cover is provided, but here no cover is required. So here only single cover is provided, and cover thickness is a 30 mm. So minus 0.03 is the cover thickness. Now summation and multiplication of all the values, we got the final answer is a 2.04 meter. 2.04 meter right here. So here total length of the one bar is a 2.04 meter. Here per meter length, weight of the bar of 12 mm diameter is a d² divided by 162. So here per meter length, weight of the bar of a 12 mm diameter is a 0.89 kg per meter. And next we find out the total number of the bar required. So here number of the bar is a total 8 meter length of the retaining wall. So here we write a total number of the bar is equal to length of the bar minus 2 times cover. At the both the side cover is provided. So here cover is a 30 mm, means 3 centimeter. So right here 0.03 divided by center to center spacing of the bar. Here already given in a figure 20 centimeter center to center spacing of the bar. So 20 centimeter converted to meter. So it's a 0.20 overall plus 1. So here number of the bar required is a 40.7 numbers. So we take a round figure is a 41 numbers of the bar is required. So 14 numbers right here, 41. Now multiplication of the 41 2.04.89, we got the final answer 74.44 kg of the steel bar required, top steel bar required for the slab portion. Now here we calculated bottom bar, this bar, bottom portion bar. So in a bottom portion bar, diameter is a 12 mm diameter and 20 centimeter center to center distance. Here value of the bottom of the bar is a summation of 0.15 plus 0.4 plus 0.7, and here one side cover distance is negative from the summation, and 2 hook is provided, so we included 2 hooks. So the length of the bar is equal to 0.7 plus 0.4 plus 0.15 plus 2 times 9 into d is the diameter of the bar, so 0.012 minus single side cover, only this side cover is provided, here no cover is required. So here total length of the bar is equal to 1.44 meter. So 1.44 meter right here, 1.44. Then after we calculate the number of the bar. So numbers of the bar is total 8 meter length of the retaining wall, already given in a figure, this point, say this point, minus 2 times cover. At the front side and back side 2 times cover is provided, 0.03, and center to center spacing of the bar is at 20 centimeter is given in a figure. So here see this 20 centimeter center to center distance is given, plus 1. So here number of the bar we calculated is 40.7. So we take a round figure is 41 numbers. Clear? So we write here 41 numbers of the bar, and per meter length weight of the bar of a 12 mm die is 0.89 kg per meter. So write here 0.89 kg per meter. So total weight of the bar, total quantity required of a bottom bar is a multiplication of the 41 multiplied by 1.44 multiplied by 0.89. So total value is 52.546 kg. Now next is a 12 mm die, center to center 20 cm center to center spacing at a top base slab, means these dotted point in a cross section part, these dotted points seen. So here 10 mm center to center spacing, numbers of the bar required and total length of the bar required. So we calculated at here. So here as you seen, so here in a dotted, total length of the retaining wall is 8 meter. So write here 8 plus here both these side hook is provided, so we write here 2 times 9 into D is a diameter is a 10 mm diameter, so write here 0.010 minus at a front side, means this side, and back side cover is provided, so minus 2 times cover 0.03. So your total length of the top at the top base slab bar is a 10 mm diameter, total length is a 8.12 meter, total length is required. So write here 8.12 meter. Then after we calculated numbers of the bar. So number of the bar required is a summation of the 1.30, then after 0.4 plus 0.15. So write here 1.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.15 minus here no any cover is required, so we delete this part. Then after divide by center to center spacing of the bar. So here center to center spacing of the bar is 20 centimeter already given in a figure, so write here 0.20 plus 1. So here number of the bar, we calculated numbers of the bar is 10.25 is the number of the bar required. So we round up is 11 numbers of the bar is required. Now here we include 11 numbers. Now per meter length, weight of the bar of a 10 mm diameter is weight of the bar 10 mm diameter weight is 0.62 kg per meter of a 10 mm die. Now we calculated at the bottom of the slab, so this portion at the bottom of the slab, so total length is equal to, total length is the same as above, but we calculated repeatedly. So 8 plus 2 times 2 hook is provided, 9 into D is the diameter 0.010, 2 times 9 into D minus in the bracket 2 times cover is provided, so minus 2 multiplied by 0.03. So your total length is 8.12 meter. So we write here 8.12 meter, and then after we find out the total numbers of the bar required. So first we calculate the total length is 0.7. So we take from the here 0.7, 0.4 and 0.15, means we take for this part as a bottom of the number of the bar. So 0.7 plus 0.4 plus 0.15 divided by center of the center spacing of the bar. We calculated is already given in a figure is a 20 centimeter. So right here 0.20 complete. So here number of the bars we calculated 7.25. So as a round figure 8 numbers of the bar we take at a bottom of the slab. So right here 8 numbers of the bar required, and per meter length weight of the bar 10 mm diameter bar weight is a 0.62 kg per meter. So total quantity is 8 multiplied by 8.12 multiplied by 0.62. So total quantity is 40.275. Now next we start a steel for a stem. So this portion steel is also required. Clear? So here bars from the top of stem 16 mm diameter, 25 cm center to center vertical bar is we calculated. So see this here 25 cm center to center vertical bar we calculated. So this is 12.5 cm center to center distance. So total length of the bar is equal to from the top to 2.20 plus 0.3, means we take from the top 2.20 plus 0.3 plus here bar band from here, so plus 0.4 plus at a starting and end, here end and starting 2 hook is provided. So 2 hook is provided. So 2 multiplied by 9 into D minus top cover minus bottom cover, and here minus bar horizontal bar means here bottom bar, and also here 10 mm diameter bar is also negative from the calculation. So total length is at 2.20 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 2 times 9 into diameter is 16 mm diameter, so 0.016 minus top cover 0.03 minus bottom cover 0.03 minus diameter of the bar minus diameter of the horizontal bars. So total length of the bar is equal to 3.11 meter. It's a total length of the bar. So right here 3.11 meter. Now we calculated numbers of the bar required. So here for finding out the numbers of the bar, total 8 meter length of the retaining wall, and both the side cover is provided. So right here only simple 8 meter minus 2 times cover. So here cover 0.03 and center to center spacing is at 12.5. Center to center spacing is provided. So right here 0.0 12.5 centimeter, so 0.125 center to center spacing is provided. So here total numbers of the vertical bar we calculated as a 66 numbers of the total numbers of the bar. So we find out total number 66 of the total numbers of the bar. So we write here 66. Then after, at the per meter length of the 16 mm diameter bar, weight of the 16 mm diameter bar is a 1.58. We calculate from the d square divided by 162 equation. So right here 1.58. So total weight of the bar is a 324.31 kg. Now we calculated bars up to 1.2 meter, means up to here. See, this hook is provided. So here 16 mm dia, 25 mm center to center distance. So let's we start calculate the length. So here 1.2 meter length from the hook to up to slab, 1.2 plus here 0.3 is the thickness of the slab. So right here 0.3 plus 0.4 at here plus hook is provided at the both the sides. So right here 2 times 9 into d, diameter is 60 mm, so 0.016 minus at the bottom cover. Here no any top cover is required, so minus at the bottom cover, minus 12 mm diameter minus 10 mm diameter. So minus 0.03 minus 0.012 minus 0.010. So total length we find out is a 2.11 meter. 2.11 meter is a total length of the bars. Now here numbers of the bar we calculated as a total numbers of the bar. Here half of the numbers of the bar we calculated above. So here 33 numbers of the bar we calculated. So right here 33 numbers of the bar, length is a 2.11 and per meter length, weight of the 16 mm diameter bar is a 1.58 kg. So right here 1.58 kg. So total quantity is a 110.02 kg. Now distribution of the bar in a stem. So here distribution of the bar is 10 mm dia, 15 cm center to center spacing. So you exactly seen here. So 10 mm dia, 50 cm center to center spacing. So total length of the bar is 8 meter length of the retaining wall. So 8 plus 2 times, here both the side hook is provided from the starting and end. So 2 times 9 into diameter is 0.010, 9 into d plus minus both the side cover is provided, so minus 2 times 0.03. So total length of the 10 mm diameter, 50 cm center to center distribution bar length is 8.12 meter. So length we calculated 8.12 meter. Now we calculated numbers of the bar is required. So for finding out the numbers of bar, here total length is 2.20. So right here for finding out the numbers of the bar is 2.20 minus here single cover is negative from this point, so here 0.03, and center to center spacing is already given 15 centimeter center to center spacing, so right here 0.015, sorry 15 centimeter given, so right here 0.15 plus 1. So here numbers of the bar, we find out 16 numbers of bar, but here for a face side and back side, so in a one side we calculated 16 numbers of the bar, so multiply by 2, so we calculated the back side number of the bar, so total bars required is equal to 16 multiplied by 2, so it's a total value we got is 32 numbers of the bar. So right here we were 32 numbers of the bar. Per meter length, weight of the 10 mm diameter bar is 0.62 kg. So we easily write here 0.62 kg we got from the d square divided by 162 equation. So total weight of the 10 mm dia 15 cm center to center distance distribution bar is 161.1 kg. Now total weight is a summation of the all the values we required 818.07 kg total quantity of the steel required to complete the retaining wall of a 8 meter length. So here example finished. Thank you.